Exactly. Newman Raja is facing two charges. One that seems to make sense, manslaughter by culpable negligence. The other, attempted first-degree murder. So I went to an expert for an explanation. Criminal attorney and former FBI agent Stuart Kaplan says culpable negligence is a wanton disregard for human life or public safety.
Raja being in plain clothes, driving an unmarked van, not identifying himself. I think all of those things put together and then displaying a weapon and allowing this thing to escalate, that is a perfect example of culpable negligence.
Like some others, Kaplan is confused by the attempted first-degree murder charge. After all, Corey Jones was killed. Kaplan also finds the forensic evidence troubling.
I have some doubts, I have some speculation as to whether or not that gun may have been elsewhere and whether or not it may have been intentionally moved to show it in closer proximity to where Corey Jones was found.
Raja shot Jones 6 times, a burst of 3 shots at Jones' car, and then 10 seconds later, 3 more shots as Jones ran away. But which of the 6 shots killed Jones? Kaplan says based on the charges and the medical examiner's report that the fatal bullet hit Jones in the chest, not the back. It sounds as though the fatal shot came near the car. Raja then saw Jones throw down his gun as he ran, but fired 3 more deliberate shots, attempting to kill him, but failing since the fatal bullet had already been fired. Ultimately, he says, both charges make sense.
It does make sense, but if I was Raja, I'd be more concerned about the culpable negligence charge, because I think when a jury, if in fact it gets to a jury with the totality of circumstances, I think it's going to be difficult for him to get away from that.
And if convicted of the attempted first-degree murder, Raja would face a life in prison. If convicted of the culpable negligence manslaughter charge, 15 years behind bars. Live in Palm Beach Gardens, I'm Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.